Hey, I am Shah, and from Pixel Labs, today we'll go through what is MuleSoft, its functionality, and we'll also look at it from an overview through the SALESFORCE angle. Let's go. Now let us begin with an assumption. Suppose you work in the IT sector of Pixel Labs and you are having coffee with an entrepreneur. He will tell you how good a job you are doing at data integration and applications management. But in the back of your mind, you know that you can contribute so much more by working on innovation. This is where MuleSoft comes in. Now let's run some numbers real quick. The average enterprises that exist today has over 900 applications. Among them, only 29 are interconnected. There is going to be a 32% increase for the demands of IT projects, whereas there is only going to be a 10% rise in the salary of IT sector. 70% of the time of the IT sector is invested in keeping the lights on rather than working on innovation. Now let us quickly look at what is an API. We will do this through the famous example of running a restaurant. Suppose a customer comes, looks at the menu, but how is the menu going to be executed by the kitchen? And how can we make sure that the kitchen, after executing the menu, has somebody to take the dish from the kitchen to the customer? Yeah, basically a waiter. Waiter is the link here from the customer to the kitchen, or the user end to the system. Waiter is that link which takes the menu and the command from the customer and brings it to the system, who then executes it, gives the output again to the waiter, and the waiter takes the output back to the customer. So here, the waiter is the API. API is what enables us customers to make sure that our input goes well to the system, and the system, when it has done programming or executing our command, brings the output to us. Now this is what the IT team or the engineers have to do manually before MuleSoft. But after MuleSoft has taken over, the engineers can now fully devote their time to innovation. Now MuleSoft lets us create our own APIs, our custom APIs. So we decide how our waiter has a specific behavior pattern, the way it functions, the way it carries the input and the output, etc. and etc. This is why MuleSoft is so important in the data integration and digitalization of business. Now that we know how MuleSoft works, we will see how it has benefited Salesforce. When it comes to Sales Clouds, MuleSoft has integrated the front and back office, enabling a seamless selling experience. When it comes to Service Clouds, Salesforce has enabled a real-time customer view by unlocking third-party app data. Last but not the least, Salesforce Customer 360. They have built connected and modern experiences, greatly encouraged Salesforce to build their own applications and speed boosted innovations. Well, thank you for watching. For more information, go to www.pixellabs.com. The link is in the description. And do not forget to like, comment and share.